Bigger is not always better, especially when we were talking kitchens. Small kitchens are usually more efficient workspaces than large ones. Space and good design aren't exclusive to a large kitchen. All you need are some good small kitchen decorating ideas that keep your small space organized, functional and beautiful. 1. A dark kitchen. Dark rooms feel smaller, so brighten up your walls with a fresh coat of paint and a light shade. If you love your rich, dark cabinets, add different types of lighting. Use under-cabinet lighting to brighten the work area and accent your cabinets. 2. Pot racks. While most small kitchens don't have the space required for large, rectangular pot racks, there are options for smaller spaces. Pot racks don't have to hang from the ceiling. Some can be wall-mounted. 3. Cooking tool wall storage. Get inspiration from some of the busiest restaurant kitchens, which use industrial wall hardware and racks for utensil storage. Some ideas for storing utensils and tools on the wall. 4. Hideaway furniture. Try a creative approach to maximize the functionality of your small kitchen. Find ways to create a multi-purpose space with practical furniture items that are useful but can be easily stored out of the way. 5. Embrace storage bins and sliding doors. Install sliding cabinet doors and hide bulky kitchen appliances and pantry items behind them, and stash storage bins in empty shelves to conceal items you don't use very often. 6. Invest in a rolling kitchen cart. A stainless steel kitchen island on wheels is perfect for a small space. You can move the cart out of the way when you aren't using it. Bonus idea: a floating shelf under your range hood is a great place to stash kitchen supplies and pantry staples. 7. Fake a breakfast nook. If there's no room for an eat-in kitchen table, install a wood countertop against one wall and add high-topped chairs. 8. Keep produce in drawers, not countertop bowls. Cut down on countertop clutter by skipping the produce bowls and dedicating a drawer to items that don't need to be refrigerated. 9. Squeeze in extra storage. If you have a small kitchen, make a custom kitchen island do triple duty as a breakfast nook, food prep station, and storage space with open shelving on the sides. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.